Ladies and gentlemen, so here we have a Chromebook Tablet Duo, I guess it's from Microtech chipset from Lenovo. Is sort of a magnetic keyboard, plugs in there, but check this out. It has a Linux option. You can install that. You can see the hardware there. It's 64-bit ARM architecture using the Cortex A73. But what's cool is, you know, years ago I helped write an open source 3D game called MegaGlest. So I just did the old sudo apt install MegaGlest and it installed. I thought, well, logically the next step is, does it run? And it's looking like, indeed, maybe a little bit choppy because it's not optimized for the ARM chipset, but I remember putting a lot of time into trying to make this work. Is that there? That would be moi. Anyway, pretty cool. All right, it's a touchscreen, plus I have a mouse here. Does it work if I click on that? Or do I have to actually click on the mouse? Anyway, pretty cool that it runs on a tablet.